Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use Google Dialogflow entities to extract meaningful information from users' query. So let's get started. There are basically three kinds of entities. One is system entities, you can read more about system entities on this page. So there are many types of system entities that Dialogflow supports. For example, date and time, number, only integer number, flight number, and many of such kind of entities. So let's create one intent. In this intent, I will trying to extract number from user's query. Let's say five steps. Okay, 6 bananas. Okay, let's say alphabetic 5, 76. So you can see it extracts number from either numeric value or alphabetic values. And let me just print you have entered. By the way, you can use the variable extracted using entity into the response by using a $sign. Let me save this. Let me just write 7. Okay, we got the response. You have entered 7. So in this way, system entity works. Now let's understand a second kind of entity, which is custom entities. For that, we need to create a custom entity. When you go to this entities tab, you will see this screen. Let me create my first system entities, and let's say it's a direction. So what I'm going to do is that with this I'm going to lead you to composite entity, and in composite entity I want to extract something from this kind of phrase like 5 step backwards or take 5 forward steps. So I want to extract 5 and forward and backward both in one entity. Okay, so let's say this is the direction. You can allow automated expansion. Let's say backward. Another synonym is back. You can put number of synonyms here. Okay, for demonstration purpose I am going to provide just 2 synonyms. Now let me create another intent, identify direction. Let's say forward. You can see I just wrote forward and it has detected the entity. Okay, and let me just print it. Okay, so it understood that. Now let me create a composite entity. I'll just name it composite values. So for this we cannot select any of these options. We will write in this way: sys dot number, then a space, I'll write step, then another entity direction. I hope you understand this, that this will be in a way like this is a number, then I want a phrase step or maybe steps, and then the direction like 5 steps forward. Or I can say sys dot number, then direction, then steps. So it's like 5 forward steps. Okay, another way to define it is like direction, then direction like forward 5 steps. So sorry, it's sys dot number forward 5 steps. Okay, I'll save this. Now I'll create identify composite entity. So let's say take 5 forward steps. Okay, so you see it has detected that. Also let me say 3 steps backwards. Okay, but it has not detected this. Let me remove that and let me mark this as composite value. Also here it has not included the steps, but let me mark it as well. Then the last example was forward 5 steps. Okay, it has, but let me mark the steps as well, and let me save this. Okay, I forgot to create a response. Let me mark the response. You have entered now. Let me save this. Okay, I hope it will work like 10 forward steps. Okay, so it has detected, and if we go here, so the parameter extracted 10 forward steps. Okay, and if we go here, we can see it as well. Now there is another way to extract it as well. So we provide colon, as well, and then we provide the variable name, so direction. Okay, let's say the variable name steps. Okay, now here after the entity's name I'll put colon operator and then variable name, and again variable name. Okay, now for the last one, direction, oh sorry, it was number, oh sorry, it's steps actually for us, and then here direction. Okay, let me save this. Now if I write the same sentence again, you will see a difference. You see, it has extracted the values in a way, steps and forward, and it is a kind of a object. So you can easily use these two values. The agent used in this video will be available on my GitHub repository, and the link for the same will be in the description of this video. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. For more such kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.